These cases pose two different questions to the court. Fox 26's Andrea Watkins joins us live from our newsroom with more about that side of it. Good morning, Andrea.
Good morning, Melissa. Yeah, two different questions on this gay marriage issue. And now today, we have the benefit of seeing what the questions were that the justices had yesterday on Proposition 8 case. And joining me now, the family law attorney, Cynthia Diggs. Let's talk about some of these questions. I mean, boy, they ran the gamut, didn't they? What did you think?
They ran the gamut, and they don't necessarily tell us exactly how these justices are likely to rule, because they were very interested in all sides of the question. One question that came up was the fact that same-sex marriage is very new. One justice commented that they were moving into uncharted waters. Another justice commented that same-sex marriage is newer than cell phones.
Exactly. So, you know, some people interpret this to mean that they feel they should not make a broad decision on this. They're just not ready.
Well, I think that's right, and I think that's probably a fair interpretation. While Justice Kennedy, for example, expressed great concern about the interests of the 40,000 children in California who were the children of same-sex couples and who wanted their parents to have equal rights under the law, at the same time, he also was very leery of an overly broad decision that recognized same-sex marriage across the board everywhere.
Antonin Scalia was asking about whether or not this was in the Constitution anywhere, and well, and I suppose that goes to the standing issue. Why is this case before the Supreme Court anyway? Well,
the standing issue is one that the justices seemed very interested in, and the exchange between Justice Scalia and the lawyers who were answering the questions on the issue was extremely interesting. Justice Scalia was asking the question, was posing the question, when did it become unconstitutional to have same-sex marriage? You know, sort of echoing the feeling that this is a very new question.
And do you think any of the questions asked yesterday would pertain to today's case?
Well, I think that there is some overlap from yesterday's case to today's case. Yesterday we were looking at the constitutionality of a state statute that banned gay marriage, and today we'll be looking at the same thing on the federal level with DOMA.
All right.
But I think that a lot of the same questions are going to apply.
All right. Cynthia, you're going to stay with us. In the beginning of the 8 o'clock hour, we're going to be breaking down the DOMA case, also known as the Windsor case, and exactly what those implications are. Actually, that could be a more broad decision simply because of the nature of the question. But let's go back to you right now.
Okay, Andrea, you already had people talking on our Facebook fan page, so we encourage people to go there and let us know your opinion. There's a lot to be said about this.
Love that. Love the comments.